Hello, I'm in the woods in Finland, just after sunrise. There's still a little bit of mist hanging around the trees and there's a beautiful golden light for about an hour, so I'm going off in search of some nice autumnal colours and leaves and any fungi perhaps. And of course I'm always on the lookout for any wildlife I might find. I'm going to be here for a week, and during that time I'm going to be trying a number of photographic projects. I'll be trying to make a few snippets of video, and so I'll try to bring you along if I can. I found a big rock that's absolutely covered in lichens, so I'm going to put my camera right down low and try and take some pictures sort of from almost inside these miniature forests. Right, I thought I wasn't going to find any fungi worth photographing today because there's been some frosts and most of the fungi I've seen so far have just been kind of brown, squidgy messes, not very photogenic really. But I've just come across this rather fine fly agaric here, and I'm going to take a couple of pictures of it. Got the camera down low on a travel tripod and I'm using live view so I can actually see what's going on without having to crawl on the ground quite so far. And I'm going to use another trick, which is to light underneath the cap of the toadstool, because that will make it look sort of more exciting and ethereal in the final image. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to stick a gold reflector, which I have pretty much only for this purpose, and I'm going to use a video light, little LED. I'm going to shine that on the reflector, and that way I'm going to light up underneath the cap. Right, I think that's enough for this morning. I think it's probably time to go and have some breakfast now and some coffee. What I think I'm probably going to do is have several short videos from this trip. So this ends the scamper in the woods looking for fungi and autumn colours, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye. I think I've contracted vlogitis. The symptom is buggering off and forgetting your camera on the ground and having to come back for it. Oh well.